Okay, this is the video that doesn't want to be made. This will be my third attempt to capture this. So we have the tool that I just ground on the lathe cutter grinder, and I'm going to cut 50 thousandths. First I'm going to undo the power feed, undo the gear train, make things a little quieter. Okay, so here I'm going to advance the blade 50, oops, there's 53 thousandths. That's going to complicate things. It's 53 and a half. Uh-oh. Okay. About 450 RPMs. A little oil. So it's 53.5. Okay, now we're going to add 50 thousandths. Not quite 50, but we're going to make it, we're going to make the cut 100 thousandths when we get to the shoulder. $490 RPMs, Harbor Freight Chinese mini lathe. There's 100 thousandths. Chip is breaking. I guess if I shortened that tool up, the chip would be a little smaller. This seems to be so let's try 150 thousandths. So that's another 50 thousandths added. When we hit to the shoulder, it'll be 150 thousandths. I don't have high hopes for this. Alright, that's 150 thousandths. That is with a tool that I ground on the KO lathe. Tool cutter grinder. And there's what, actually, no, that's 150 thousandths cut. There's the 150 thousandths chip. Okay, that's all I got. Please like and subscribe. Pretty amazing. Harbor Freight Chinese mini lathe. You can never appreciate how small this is until you're here. Let me put my arm in the picture. There we go. Okay, we got something going on here. It ain't the way it was supposed to be. Jean-Paul, you'd be proud of me.